Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back at Pimcore Inspire 2021. Wherever you're watching us, maybe at your screen in your office, maybe your living room, maybe in your bathtub or in a taxi, you never know. Great that you're back. And welcome back to the next session. Now, Pimcore has been the global leader for integrated open source data and experience management for the past 12 years. A cloud-first, API-driven and composable digital world leads to innovation and a change in deployment and service models. And for the first time, we are offering 3 versions: a web-based SaaS platform, an enterprise on-premise edition, and the web-based, the free open source edition. In our next session called Pimcore Triple Play, we will focus on what Pimcore Triple Play actually is and why exactly we offer 3 different editions for maybe 3 different kinds of clients. And I'd like to welcome back on stage CEO and co-founder of Pimcore. Put your hands together wherever you are for Dietz.
Hi guys, welcome back again to an exciting new chapter of our story. And for that chapter, I would like to invite Stefan Gruber, our CSO, to the stage. What a guy.
What exciting times, I would say.
Exciting times, you are completely right. And today we are talking about, or today, not right now actually, we are talking about triple play. So this presentation is very important for us because it's a new chapter about our Pimcore story. So it's something big and bold, and we have been waiting for that actually for years. We have been promising to the customers for years actually. You can remember that, I guess.
We've been talking about that for a long time, yeah?
For a long time we have been promising, and now it truly is here, and I'm really excited for that being that time. And thanks for watching, and thanks for being here. It's about Pimcore for everyone, for partners, for developers, for customers, and now that's the new thing, and for customers that prefer SaaS and the cloud. It's now ready, and we call that the triple play. It's the combination of SaaS, enterprise, and open source. So that's not easy, or has not been easy, because Pimcore is loved by a lot of people, a lot of different people, by solution partners, by developers, for more than 100,000 companies. So that's exciting. And they love Pimcore for various reasons. Because it's so powerful, I would say almost almighty, but I don't want to brag now, so it's just awesome. Some solution partners say, hey, Pimcore is their development framework. It's more than just a PIM, it's a complete development framework. Others say they primarily use Pimcore as a product information management system. And others, again, love the unique combination of data and experience management. Various reasons. And why do they love us? They love the flexibility and the data modeling. Others because of the multi-channel publishing capabilities. We will hear a little bit more about that in the afternoon when we're talking about digital signage, web to print, and these publishing capabilities. But most, because of course Pimcore is open source and free of charge, still damn powerful, and it's their platform for innovation. So many, many reasons, but just one single seamless platform. That's why we have built, in the past 10 years, and that's what we want to continue to build. So that's also our claim, the claim of Pimcore: own the digital world. And that's what we will provide you for. That's the platform we provide you. So let me quickly summarize the Pimcore platform. So what is the true power? You see it on the screen. Now you see it on the screen. The true power is the combination of data and experience management in one single platform, in one seamless single platform. And the seamless is very important because you have one single application, one platform that can do it all. So on the left side, it's about data management. So it's about product information management, master data management, digital asset management, and CDP, which is Customer Data Platform. And on the right side, it's experience management with DXP, Digital Experience Platform, and e-commerce. It's both sides delivering the right content to the right people, to the right devices at the right time. And this is unique to Pimcore. Powerful data and experience management. And Stefan, I have now the pleasure, kick it on.
First, I must say, you really look beautiful with your glasses. You are not getting older. We are getting bolder. Yeah?
We are getting bolder,
and,
yes.
Of course, we change, we develop. So the infrastructure and the environment around us develops. And as you know, for example, the thing is, of course, that IT decision makers, 60% of IT decision makers decide into the direction of SaaS when it comes to data management. Also 40%, so this is a huge amount, yeah? And of course, all the landscape changes, the infrastructure changes, the deployment changes. So it's 21, and we are living in a SaaS-first world, software as a service.
Can I quickly interrupt? So that actually means that for 60% of data management IT decision makers, we didn't have a solution.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Now we have the solution, and the solution, we have from now on. So it's available from now. Absolutely cool, and I'm really excited about our new feature and our new offering, and we will introduce that offering a little bit later on. We have a detailed talk about our SaaS offering. So let me quickly state what SaaS customers do not need. Customers which are using SaaS don't need the 100% flexibility of the Pimcore framework. They don't need the framework, of course. They don't need its powerful development capabilities, of course, and they do not need the customizations. SaaS customers are totally different. And we needed, of course, to find the right offering for these customers.
But still, it has to be really powerful, though.
Yeah, absolutely. It has to be scalable. It has to be powerful, of course. It has to be high performance. And we delivered, as we always do. Yeah, we delivered the right things, which is Pimcore in the Cloud, our SaaS offering. So what do SaaS customers really need? What do they want? First of all, of course, they want to start quick. They want a quick time to market. On the other hand side, they don't want to code. They want to configure the whole solution. And of course, they want out-of-the-box capabilities. They want to log in fast. They want to ramp up fast, of course. And they don't want to worry about stuff like IT, hosting, updates. Everything has to be covered within the SaaS offering. And of course, we know what SaaS clients want. They want to start quickly. They want to ramp up fast. They want
the 5 stages, basically.
The 5 stages of a classic PIM. Ramp up fast, set up your data model, set up your perspectives, your users, your roles, everything you need, of course. You need to configure your data input interfaces to ingest the data, to get the data into the system, of course, to manage the data with our beautiful workflow engine, for example, and then to output the channel to all the desired channels you need to have. These are the topics, the main challenges when it comes to data management in the cloud.
Perfect. And I think it's also powered by Amazon, isn't it?
Yes.
So Amazon AWS, Amazon Web Services.
It's a multi-tenant system, of course, and we're hosting it in the cloud. We're working with Kubernetes clusters. So it's a high-performing application you will get with our SaaS application. And we are really excited about this offering. And why we have called this talk Pimcore Triple Play is, of course, because we got 3 different versions now of the Pimcore platform. And our SaaS offering is data management as a service. And now Pimcore is for everyone. So that's the main question. And I've been joining the Inspire last year. The main question of this talk, of course, is, will Pimcore Cloud replace the on-prem edition of Pimcore and the community edition?
No, not at all. Not at all. Triple play. Why is it called triple play? Triple is not 1, it's not 2, it's 3 editions basically for everybody. That's what we stated. So it's an additional edition for data management. Why? That's the reason also we call it data management in the cloud. So we do not cripple the community edition. We do not replace the enterprise edition. There is just one additional edition because, Stefan told us before, it's because of the 60% of the IT decision makers that say, hey, I want to do data management, but I want to do this in the cloud with a SaaS operating model. I do not want to care about upgrades and updates. I do not want to care about coding and, all of these beautiful things that Pimcore actually is famous for. Solution providers still can code and do everything they want with the Pimcore SDK. We will learn about this a little bit more about that in the afternoon. But SaaS, they want to start working. They want to start working with minutes, setting it up, configuring it, and then getting things done. That's also the reason we have shown, or Christian has shown us before, the workflow editor, for example, or the perspective editor, or all of those beautiful configurable pieces, because now the story comes together.
Yeah, absolutely.
It brings it together because now we are configuring things and not only coding. Of course, guys, you can still write your YAML files and all of your things, so we are not going to shift the direction. But Pimcore X is it's a beautiful piece. There are almost tears in my eyes because now, today is the day. Today is the fucking day, I have to say it this way, where we are launching also in the cloud with our SaaS package. And we were promising this for years, and now it's here. We started to work with that. But I honestly have to say, not at all do we replace other editions.
Yeah, that makes the offering perfect, to be honest. Yeah, of course you can utilize the SaaS platform to to configure everything, but the option to code everything for 100% customization is very important for us. So, of course, we know our open source history is also very important for us, and that's why the community edition will also be still very, very important for us because it's
our legacy.
Our heart. Yeah,
it's our legacy.
Yeah.
It's our history. That's what we promised in 2009. And we're keeping our promise alive.
Yes, absolutely. So now let's take a look. Last year at the Inspire, we were introducing our enterprise subscription on-prem, so we were having 2 versions of the Pimcore platform. Right now, we're having 3 versions of the Pimcore platform. On the right-hand side, we're having our community edition, of course, for data management, experience management, for creating unique user experiences. On-prem, of course, our open source product. Then we have the enterprise subscription. Data management, again, of course, enterprise software, experience management, enterprise open source, again on-prem. And then, of course, finally, right now, we're having our Pimcore Cloud Edition, data management, headless CMS functionality, great stuff, absolutely. It's out of the box, it's configurable, it's cloud and SaaS. You don't need to worry for updates and security tasks and stuff like that. Everything is covered. This is our Pimcore triple play, and we're fucking proud to announce that. Yeah.
Yes. So that's triple play, and I think now we are going into the break, a lunch break, and guys, it was a huge pleasure for us for being here before the lunch. We have now seen exceptional things. We have seen the keynote with some numbers, 100,000 companies working with the Pimcore platform.
400,000 installations, 450,000 installations worldwide in the Pimcore universe. That's great.
150 million web pages, 550 million digital assets, 3.6 billion products.
Huge amounts of data. Unbelievable.
Huge amounts of data, almost zettabytes of data, as we heard. Then we were talking about Pimcore X, our hugest release ever. 70, if I remember correctly, 70 to 120% faster response times. Christian showed us exceptional new functionalities. And now triple play. Isn't that something to celebrate? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Enjoy the Pimcore Inspire. It will get very, very interesting. We will do amazing stuff. Felix, please come to the stage.
Guys, triple play. It's finally out there. Like, all the products are out there, and for you to experience and to try out. I am impressed. Thank you so much, guys. And you said it, Dietz, we're going into a break, 20-minute break, just about, and I have some schedule information for you. If you don't want to have lunch, maybe you already had an exceptional breakfast, we have some information for you. On the Data Hero session, you will find out how Jochen Schweizer MyDays Group, Europe's leading experience provider, created a modern, scalable platform for its brand channels based on microservices in an event-driven architecture. If you're interested in that, feel free to join a session called A Digital Platform for the Global Experience Market. Starts at 12 o'clock. And if you're more into automotive, we have another session for you. Then move over to the Experience Magic session and discover how Elbkapitän, a German Pimcore Gold partner, implemented a B2C shop for Volkswagen Group Charging GmbH, Elli, in just about 12 weeks. That's absolutely incredible. So if you want to skip lunch, that's a session for you. It's called Pimcore as Commerce Platform for of the Volkswagen Group Charging. Starts at 12 o'clock as well. And we'll be right back after the break.